The COVID 19 pandemic has hit hard various stratas of human society, forcing us to witness one of the biggest disasters of the human race. The societies at large are facing unprecedented challenges with its obvious impact on the global economic growth. So, as human beings, we ought to showcase the human values to safeguard human health and dignity. Hello everyone. We, the students of Atharva Group, are here to present some human values during COVID-19 pandemic. So, let's get going.
What makes the foundation for a worthy society? What makes us different from animals? It is the human values: humanity, love, compassion, honesty, obliging, responsibility, and empathy in a person that does the underpinning to make any society viable to live in. Our first story is of a girl child whose both parents died due to COVID. After performing the last rituals, relatives left the girl to the neighbor. Now, one of the neighbors called Rushali's relative. Let's see what happens next.
Hello, I'm Roshali's neighbor. Yesterday you told us that you will come to pick her, Roshali. So at what time will you come today to pick her? She hasn't spoken a single word from yesterday. I think she needs a family at most at this time.
I'm sorry, but we won't be able to take her on. We don't want a burden of girl child for rest of our life. And by the way, if you are so interested, send her to orphanage. We don't care, and please don't try to contact us anymore.
Social harmony is what a society aspires for. Social relations among different groups are really important aspect for any society to develop as a whole. As a human, it's our responsibility to develop such harmony in this society. In Rushali's case, although the actual family pulled their hand back, but the society became her family and provided her the happiness. Human beings in the present era has become more and more progressive, but has this progress had any impact on human values? So, our next story revolves around this question. This is a story of a doctor who is returning to her home after completing her duty.
Don't be scared. We take all the safety precautions as we also have a family to look after.
We all are in coexistence with each other. We live in the same society. We respect each other's feelings and decisions and trust the other person.
Thank you for risking your lives to save people from this pandemic. I appreciate your bravery for always fighting for us.
William Paul Young once said, "Trust is the fruit of a relationship in which you know you are loved." The most fundamental motivation for human life is continuous love and care. Its fulfillment depends on harmony with family and society. Our next story is a conversation between a mother and her daughter about vaccination.
Mama, I was a kid when I was vaccinated and I was saved from a major disease. But did you ask me whether I was ready for it or not?
Oh dear, you are my love, my responsibility. You were just a kid. That is why I asked the doctor.
Mama, you are also my love, my responsibility, and I'll also not ask you. I consulted a doctor, Mama, and now you will also get your first jab of COVID vaccine.
A relationship between mother and daughter is the most beautiful relationship. They trust each other, they respect each other. Most importantly, they share the strong bond of love and friendship. The desire of a child to make her family safe is appreciable. A family is important to any person because it is a universal institution and a close unit of persons emotionally attached to each other in a way that the problem of one affects all. Now, our next story is of a girl named Gia. She was affected by coronavirus. When she came to know that she was being affected by the virus, she left her home without the knowledge of her mother. After some time ago, her mother noticed that her daughter was missing. Then her mother searched all around the city, but all her efforts went in vain. So she decided to file a complaint in police station. Now let's see what happens at the police station.
Sir, my daughter is missing, so I want to file a missing complaint.
Okay, madam, please have patience. We will start researching her everywhere.
The police team tried a lot finding Gia, but their attempt got failure.
Madam, we are trying our best. What? We should also give our advertisement to your news channel.
Missing news went viral and Gia's mother was eagerly waiting for some response. Finally, in the evening, a phone call came from the hospital notifying about her missing daughter. They told her that her daughter has been admitted in their hospital. She is affected by coronavirus. She came to their hospital all alone. They tried their best to collect her information, but they couldn't. While they were watching the news, they got to know that she was being missed. Hearing this, Gia's mother reached the hospital to see her. She was kept in the isolated ward.
Oh dear, how did you come here and didn't inform us?
I did this because for you, if I were there, all would have been affected by the virus. So I decided to get away from the home. Let this virus kill me rather than others.
Hearing this, her mother stunned. She was unable to hug her. Instead, she stared her for thinking to sacrifice her life for others in small ages. After some days, the girl got cured and returned back home. The love doesn't come at the age of 20 or after 20. It comes the moment you step on this world. We know and we believe that true love never expires from this earth.
जय जय हे जय जय हे जय जय जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा